I spent the day talking with a large group of real estate agents about how to maximize their content creation without burning out. Everyone keeps asking how to turn long, messy videos into polished, snackable social media clips that actually get views. The problem isn't making the video. It is the tedious workflow of editing, captioning, and scheduling that kills your productivity. Most creators spend hours manually scrubbing through footage just to find a 10-second highlight, which is a massive waste of time. Today, I want to walk you through a professional, scalable workflow that automates the boring stuff so you can focus on creativity. The tool I am using for this demonstration is Visored because it acts like a tireless digital native assistant on your content team. I started by uploading a full 40-minute client webinar directly into the platform to see what it could do. Within seconds, the AI scanned the entire file, listening for engagement spikes like laughter, applause, or specific keywords. The auto-editing mode then generated a list of potential viral clips, effectively doing the heavy lifting for me. After selecting my favorite segments, I only had to make minor adjustments to the start and end points. Next, I tackled captions, which are absolutely non-negotiable because so many people watch videos with their sound turned off. Visored auto-generates these, but the styling flexibility is where the real value lies for keeping things on brand. I used the eyedropper tool to grab the exact brand colors from my client's background, ensuring a perfectly polished look. While other apps are great for specific effects, they often lack this comprehensive ability to handle long-form processing and scheduling. I then applied my favorite styling presets to ensure the videos looked modern, clean, and professional. Before exporting, I previewed the clips in a vertical format to make sure the text wasn't getting cut off by platform UI elements. Then, I set up the auto scheduler to push these clips to Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts automatically. This functionality allows you to set your posting frequency and let the AI handle the heavy lifting for the rest of the month. The content calendar view is a lifesaver because it keeps your strategy organized in one single centralized place. Now, it is important to remember that no tool is perfect, so you might need to nudge the edits if the speaker pauses mid-sentence. If you require highly complex custom motion graphics, you might still need dedicated software, but for 95% of creators, this is plenty. Think about the return on investment. You are saving hours every single week by automating these repetitive tasks. To recap, upload. Let the AI find your best clips, polish with branded captions, and schedule them out. Even if you are not a webinar host, you can batch your short clips and schedule them to keep your feed active and consistent. If you have some long videos sitting on your hard drive, upload one today and see what the AI suggests. I'm curious to see how you would use this for your specific niche, so drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to keep up with our weekly tool tips. We drop new content every Monday, so we will see you back here soon to keep geeking out on AI and video strategy.